All right, what's good, guys? Another middle of the night video for you. It's Saturday night, Sunday morning, and I'm going to turn in pretty quick because I have to work tomorrow and I have church. But I got this package in the mail, and I wanted to just do a quick video telling you about what I got and what's going to be coming up in the near future for reviews. So I've been seeing this company on Instagram for a while, and I got on their mailing list, and they've been sending me emails for months to try their products, and I missed all the big Black Friday and Christmas sales and everything, but I think there was some kind of coupon here recently, and I decided to order some stuff from them, and I'm excited because I'm not really sure what I'm going to think of them, but I think that I'm going to like them because they're kind of right up my alley. So without further ado, the company is called Hardworking Gentleman, and they make men's products, hair products. I think they do some beard stuff, shampoos, conditioners, things like that. I got some of their hair products. This is a wax. It's like a water-based kind of wax. It has beeswax in it. I also got a fiber pomade and a clay. So over the coming weeks and months, I'm going to throw some of this in, and I'll shoot some quick videos so you can see how it performs. I am excited about it. They're an American-based company based here in California, it looks like. And they do seem to use natural ingredients, healthy oils and things like that. And I always appreciate that from my hair products. So look for some reviews here in the near future. I guess this is like the, what's that company called? The Swedish company that makes the furniture, you know, and all their instructions are just icons, you know, but I guess they got the California bear and the American flag, and I'm not sure what the other stuff is. Some of it's recycling. I'm not sure what the little tulip flower is. But anyway, yeah, I'm kind of stoked to try these guys. I've been really sold on, as you know, I've been sold on Johnny Slicks for a while, and I do really like their products, but I'm always also down to try new stuff and to share it with you. So, because you can't have too many options, right? So that's it. Just a quick unboxing. I will do some videos where I get into this stuff and get it in my pompadour for you, and so stay tuned, more to come for that. If you guys are seeing this video and you aren't already a subscriber, please subscribe. I do a lot of videos on men's products, pomades, shaving products, shampoos, conditioners, soaps, you know, facial treatments, the whole bit. And then I've got my music stuff, and I've got some skateboarding stuff. So there's a little bit of something for everybody on my channel. And I'd like to see more of you, and if you see more of me. So smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you get notified when I post new stuff, which I'm about to do like a huge dump of videos in the next week or so. I've got a bunch of stuff. I just realized the other day I've been a little negligent with YouTube, and that I have videos from 6 months ago that have to be edited and published. So, and then a bunch of stuff since. So a lot of stuff is coming down the pipeline, and you're not going to want to miss it. Thank you, guys. I'm going to hit the hay. I will dig you later. Appreciate you. God bless.